Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Gomez Alvarez. It's a Spanish house, and their speciality is actually old school or classical fragrances from the yesteryears basically. So this one in particular called Alvarez Gomez Pour Homme, and this is it doesn't sound good. It sounds like it's broken. I'm not sure. I have to wait and see if what happens there. So this one is it says is eau de parfum, and it comes in this box which is 80 ml plus 30 ml, so 110 ml altogether. In United Kingdom you can find this one under £20. For that price, let's see how it goes, if it's good or not. I'm not sure. I never had anything from this house before, so this is the first from this house, from this brand, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders for you. It's only a small movement, but for me it's a big deal. It shows me that you care. It shows me that you like what I do, and it shows that you want me to carry on with this endeavor, with this hobby, to bring you fragrances like this in future, which nobody else talks about, very unknown, hidden gems and things like that. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video with others. All these things will help this channel to stay afloat for much longer, and I'll bring you fragrances like this in future. Thank you very much for your help, and let's go. So as you can see, nice box, quite a large box. The only thing is it doesn't sound good, so I'm not sure what's going on in there. Let's see. Sorry about the noise. Oh dear, it doesn't sound good. Oh, okay. Luckily it's not broken. The only thing is between them is nothing. What are you doing? These two glasses in there and nothing between them, and they go like this. Very bad design. Anyway, so simple box, but it's okay. But under £20, not bad. Okay, so this one is a 30 ml, this is 80 ml, and they both eau de parfum, and this one called Alvarez Gomez Barberia. So it's called Barberia Pour Homme eau de parfum. And let's see how is the atomizer. We'll go with this one, the 30 ml. Here we go. Very good atomizer, surprisingly. Very good. It gives a big mist. It's almost pressurized. Okay, so how is the first impression for Alvarez Gomez Pour Homme? And this is Barberia or Barberia or Barba and eau de parfum. As I said, this one, the combination of 80 ml and 30 ml in the United Kingdom, you can find it under £20, which is quite nice. Okay, let's go. Here we go. First impression. Ooh, big on the citrus. So as I said in the beginning, they do classical, they do old school, they do yesteryear's fragrances, and they done it to perfection. The lemon and the bergamot in here is to die for. Very pretty, very uplifting, very inviting, very fresh, super fresh. I'm feeling something like orange as well. Wow, what a super citrus fragrance. At the moment, all I'm smelling is citrus and more citrus. So I'm smelling bergamot, I'm smelling lemon, and I'm smelling orange. It's got a herbal feel to it, so it's a little bit green, a little bit herbal. It's got a woody backbone, most likely to be cedar. but at the moment it's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very little bit of barbershop feel to it, not much. It's not 100% barber. It's not when he slaps you, he says, okay, this is a barbershop fragrance. No, but it's got a little bit of barbershoppy feel to it. Yes, definitely. Okay, so because it's very woody and it's very smooth, I think there's sandalwood in here as well to make it rounded, making it smooth. Usually with barbershop fragrances, at least this is what it says, barbershop, they're usually big on sandalwood. They utilize sandalwood a lot. And in here, I think there's a big sandalwood as well. It's got a little bit of fruity feel to it. I'm not sure where that come from. Either is the citrus or there's something little bit fruity, tangy to it. So it could be a combination of the lemon, bergamot and the orange, or it could be something else that give you that tangy, that sweet, almost sweet and sour feel to it. So it's like a sweet and sour, sweet and sour feel to it. It's got tiny bit of very small amount of smokiness to it, tiniest bit, not much. It just basically doesn't exist, but my nose is picking it up for some reason. Get tiny bit, little bit, hint of smokiness, which is, again, I'm not sure where that come from. Maybe there's an incense in here, little bit, maybe. But what to take from this video is big on the citrus, massive on the citrus. So definitely bergamot, definitely lemon, definitely orange, maybe even grapefruit in here as well. Second thing which is big in here is the woods. The woods are probably most likely to be cedar and sandalwood, combination of those two, making it very woody base, plus that smoothness, very smooth. I feel something like a vanilla, but the vanilla in here is a classical vanilla. It's not a modern vanilla. Modern vanilla are very sweet. This one is, although it's a sweet, but it's a moderate sweetness, and also it gives it that smoothness which comes from the vanilla. In usually in the classical barbershops you get that smooth vanilla in those fragrances, and I can detect it here as well. So it's a very smooth vanillic, but it's not vanillic modern, vanillic classical, which is smooth and soft rather than sweet. Yeah, hint of fruitiness to it, hint of smokiness, very little. Maybe that's come from cedar. Maybe the cedar in here, they utilize the cedar, which is a little bit on the smokier side. But overall, it's very clean. It's almost barbershop, as he says. It's giving me that feel of barbershop. Yeah, giving me that feel of barbershop, but it's not 100% barbershop. It's just hint of barbershop, if you like, but definitely on the classical side, definitely on the yesteryear's side, definitely on the 70s and 80s side of fragrances. But this is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man. I'm somebody who likes this genre anyway, and this one is done very well. So and to my nose, smell very natural, which is crazy for this amount. I paid under £20 for this. For this price, smells natural. That is crazy. The only thing with House of Alvarez Gomez, many people say they don't last that long. So let's see how is the performance. If the performance is anything acceptable, let's say even medium performance, 5-6 hours, I'm happy with that. If it goes longer, then we have a banger on our hand, definitely. In terms of age, this is definitely 30 and up, if not 20, let's say 25 and up, but I think it's better suited for 30 and up in terms of age. Definitely quite masculine, but smells in a way that even ladies can wear it, because all it does is big citrus, big woods, and this is quite on the simplistic side, but it's quite nice and refreshing and fresh and uplifting and happy fragrance. Yeah, beautiful, very nice. So let's see how is the performance. Season, definitely warmer weather. This is shouts warmer weather, hot weather and things like that. Or after shower, this is very good after shower, just to put it on and you smell very refreshing and fresh. It's good for casual, it's good for relaxing, it's good for gym, it's good for work, it's good for confined spaces. It's good for these things, okay? I don't think it's it does have that oomph to use it for a formal occasion or evening or things like that. So it's a daytime casual relaxation, work, gym and things like that. It's better suited for it. But overall, I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Smells very, very good. Smells quite natural, as I said, and this is crazy. Smells good. If you like classical fragrances, you'll love this. If you like old school fragrances, you'll love this. If you like yesteryears, if you like, perfumery that doesn't exist anymore these days, or it's very, very few of them they exist, this is very, very good. Overall, I like it and I give it 2 thumbs up, but let's wait and see the performance and see how it goes. I don't know, at the moment it's nice, but it's not as strong, you know what I mean? So does it last? Let's see. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be nice for others to read. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer. I make my own perfumes. They're called Scent of Persia. The reason is because the ingredients come from my country, Iran, Persia. They are almost nobody else uses them because we produce very little of it, and that's why it's not commercially viable to export it. I buy it and I mix them together to make beautiful perfume, very artistic, very intriguing, very mysterious fragrances. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.